I pray to God every day just to keep on saying no's. I've been living wrong, I gotta face it both on. I've been staying strong, it's hard trying to move on. I can't do it on my own. No, I can't do it on my own. And I've been feeling all alone. I've been on my grind, still feel like I'm wasting time. I was showing love to niggas who would've left me in the blind.
It's gone. Yo, Roadrunner TV checking in here. Today we got NFL karma moments. We just did the NBA. Make sure y'all go watch and comment on that video. Today we got NFL. So, you know, every day we doing reaction videos. Every Friday we doing underground. Independent. I said I was going to say independent. That's my fault. Independent music artist videos. So it could be you. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, BlenderBoy TV and Roadrunner.tv. But yeah, subscribe on YouTube, BlenderBoy TV. Check in, man. Let's get it. Hey, Blender. Yeah.
Several weeks, Juju Smith-Schuster's made a habit out of posting videos dancing on the opposing team's logos, sharing it with his TikTok followers. Tonight was no exception. There's some pressure from the Bengals. Roethlisberger, Juju Smith. Damn! Blown up. And then on the receiving end, I'm not sure it was the pregame dance.
That's a fumble.
Anything to do with it, but maybe the defensive backs try a little harder against Smith-Schuster.
He's going to be hit with a flag here, and then all of a sudden you get this going on. Wow, Landon Collins, body slamming.
Look at Barkley. He ain't going to do that to Big Barkley. They're doing the same thing in overtime. Next touchdown win.
They're coming after Jones, and a touchdown to Caden Smith.
Same dude real quick. That's right.
The Giants win it.
And he said, look who was covering him. The same boy.
On the touchdown to Caden Smith, their fourth win of the year.
Roethlisberger from the pocket, middle of the field, incomplete.
Yeah, man, I remember Burfict did this, man.
Does come in, went to the head.
Was talking on the sideline the whole time. It seemed like to Vontaze Burfict, and yes.
Oh my goodness.
Man, we would have went to the Super Bowl that year, bruh. Dumbest shit in the world, bruh.
Being guarded by Jackson. Ben looked a couple of times in that direction, dumped it off to Bell, who got a big block from Smith-Schuster. Flattened Burfict, and here come flags.
Boy, that's a clean block.
Oh! He needs some milk.
It's a peel back block, and that's
clean, though.
Jones for the end zone. It is touchdown.
Oh my goodness.
Tate holds it in, and the Giants are a 2-point conversion.
Oh my. Watch out, Facebook, man.
Away.
Wide receiver Golden Tate is not accompanying the team on this trip to play Washington. Tate will not play in tomorrow's game. Why?
Yeah, Hop.
Saint this.
Hey, good release, Hop.
I went in the route.
You do that shit to me? Man, don't touch me, boy. What the fuck wrong with you, boy? I'm going ass man, dog. Just like you. Well, we can box.
I feel God.
I feel God, boy. I feel God, boy. I feel God, boy. I'm just like you now.
Tell him, right? I ain't scared of shit.
We better tell these boys I feel God now. I'm gonna slap the fuck out of you too. Watch.
Told him he got it the worst. This probably the worst one. Hog T, he washed up, boy. Fuck that man leg up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just fuck my leg up.
He needs some milk.
Damn, I'm already breaking ankles. Further their pass, already breaking ankles on the route.
Told his ass,
hey,
watch.
I just finished it. I don't start nothing.
You gotta love that.
Allen gonna keep it. Going to try the left side, diving for the pylon. He got there. And a penalty marker, late flag.
In front of
Michael Davis right there.
After the play was over, unsportsmanlike play.
Josh Allen's going to throw for it off his back foot, and he gets intercepted. Oh, and look who it is. It's 43. That's Michael Davis. That's the guy that Josh Allen taunted by spinning the football in his face on his rushing touch.
God, I know dumb bag, bro. Ooh, that's too low.
Penalty flag on the play.
Damn, that's Michael Strahan.
On Omar Stoutmeyer coming in late.
Oh, he shouldn't have did that.
Got him! Got him!
What I say, he shouldn't have did that. He's gonna point to the scoreboard.
So if you take away the 31 that they scored against Washington, if they only end up with 10 in this game, that would be 66 points in 5 games.
Well, I wouldn't even give him the 10 here. I mean,
after making fun of Tariq Cohen's height, a couple minutes later, this happened to Eli Apple.
There is an injured Saint in the end zone. I believe that is Eli Apple, and he has not gotten up yet.
no. Opposite of Marshawn Lattimore. Right there, that we talked about the field and the cleats and all.
Craig, get up! Get up, Craig! Come on, Craig! Come on, Craig!
All that, but the foot gave away.
He looks so silly out there.
Going deep, he's got Watkins, and buckle up, there he goes.
Don't celebrate.
And Hakeem brings him down.
I've seen that.
First.
Got him! Got him!
I've seen that. I already knew that was coming.
Murray scrambling. Murray now throws it. Hopkins, who's down there, and Hopkins can't hold on, but there's a flag.
And pass interference, number 25, defense. Those fouls offset. Replay 4th down.
Hopkins can't hold on, but there's a flag.
Can he go all the way? It's a 60-yard run. He's being chased.
Oh my God.
Watch out. Did he get across? No, they are not. That's going to be a touchback to Buffalo.
Oh my God.
Hustling, stripped it away.
Oh my God.
Psych! Fastest Buffalo. Hey, 36. I ain't never seen you before. Hop. Better go tell the coach you need some help. We're going to expose you, boy. All right, we coming at your ass. Savage looking. Fires deep right side, and the pass is intercepted. LaShawn Sims.
Look at him.
By the kid who graduated from Andre Agassi.
That's a credit to how hard he's running in their O-line. He's a cutback runner. He's very patient. He'll find creases. And guys didn't seem like they was too interested in tackling him. So I think our mindset is a little different.
Man, you know they ain't interested in tackling that man. Boy, look like he about 300, boy.
I think we're going to try to tackle him.
All muscle. Look at this man.
Handoff, Henry.
Oh, my God.
Henry takes it to the outside. Oh, the stiff arm.
Oh, that's
Thomas, and he's out of bounds.
Lazard, baby, was just talking.
And then you don't want to
That's baby was just talking. Boy, he was playing with you.
Another time, just in the middle of the back on Earl Thomas.
Oh, but he ain't throwing, though.
He's running for the evening.
He's still playing with you, bro.
Blocking it again. And also came close to contact.
Man, they ain't hit you.
But look at Ben Dry's right back there watching it all. He's about... That's a personal foul on the kicker for trying to draw a penalty.
Stupid.
They're going to have to get these guys after cards.
Oh, he's right. That was too bad. Belichick knew a loophole away from
the clock winding down.
He knew a loophole.
Delay of game. Offense. This penalty's declined. It's 4th down.
So this man kept doing that just to waste time.
Top-heavy teams there in the NFC, aren't there? Packers, Saints.
False start. Offense. This penalty is also declined. It's still 4th down.
Are we going to play this game?
Right. So the Patriots took an intentional.
Look at Belichick. He can't even hold it back.
So they took an intentional delay of the game. The Jets declined it. Then they had a guy intentionally false start, and the Jets declined that one also. Bill couldn't do anything but laugh.
Look at John Perry. Yeah, the next one I can guarantee they're going to be talking about 15 yards. That is crazy.
You got to still shake his hand at the end of the game.
I think when you have a chance to go to New England and win, you know, that's.
Oh, they did it right back.
That's where you got. I will say this: you could just send them out there to take this. If they take a delay a game, that's different than the timeout. You know they're punting if they're taking the delay.
Delay a game. Offense. 5-yard penalty. 4th down.
Tennessee's going to try and take multiple delay of games. What happened last weekend in Houston? Now watch Belichick saying when the clock starts here, what happens? Is it start to run? Because I don't want him wasting my clock. We're down 1. Vrabel's like, I want to waste this clock and go to 5 minutes.
We got Tom Brady.
Ball start. There it is. Exactly right. Game between these two. Gene, when you take multiple delay of games, there's a penalty eventually.
That's correct, Tony. The penalty will turn into an unsportsmanlike conduct foul. So the question...
Peep him, though. Peep him. Bro, how you going to steal the whole swag, man? He took the whole sauce.
Coach Belichick is asking now is, can Tennessee take another false start without having the 15-yard penalty?
This is where it's unique because Tennessee's going to do it again.
How about Vrabel, his pupil?
Oh, another false start.
It looked like the Patriots may have caused that.
After 5 minutes, does the clock keep running?
No, inside of 5 minutes, any penalty accepted or declined will start on the snap after that.
So it only works right before the 5-minute mark when you're wasting clock. That's why a couple coaches have tried to do this.
So any way you slice it, they shortened the game by almost 20%.
Man, I would have been too. Did they win? I wouldn't have won that game.
One of his passes did.
He said we're going to score. Dumbass threw a pick 6. Oh my goodness. Oh my God! Overtime. They got Matt Hasselbeck.
Touchdown. Owens again heading for midfield. There he goes. There's going to be a penalty on George T because he's going to clock him. Now, Teague's going to be kicked out of the game. Team score. O.J. McDuffie. A little tightrope. I'm going in. No, you're not. Nice play by Tommy Bennett. A little tightrope. I'm going in. No, you're not.
Push that motherfucker right out of your arm. That boy probably hurt. Hey, you hurt. No, you hurt. And got to fucking stay here and do that celebration.
On the celebration.
Ain't gonna make that out.
He should have been watching Steven tell it.
He better not be at the outfield.
Torn ACL. You just hate to see it because it's an incredible play by Lamar Houston. And then watch the celebration. Now, mind you, you're down 25 points.
He needs some milk.
Still on all the records.
Tell that man, mind you, you down 25 points.
Oh my goodness. Smashed hard, guarding the ball.
And it went no flag,
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness. Number 28 on the defense with retaliation by the offense. After the play, the penalties all set. Yes, they do. They all set.
That was the voice of Steve Largent you heard saying that. He said it wasn't retaliation. And I'll tell you something. Somebody knows what's going on a football field. It's Steve Largent. There's Castile now. Blades just does a good job of cutting him.
Yeah, he doesn't talk
and Castile doesn't like it.
All he did was top blocking.
Haven't seen a retaliation.
He ain't doing nothing. Look.
Come on, Debo, stall him out.
He made him
Craig on 3rd and 1. Blades intercepted by Harden.
The big dumbass shoulder. Oh my God!
Unloaded and got the ball.
And that's the same dude. I about to say with the big dumb ass shoulder pads he got on.
Holding number 28 defense. 5-yard penalty. Automatic first down. That's passed before.
But look at his shoulder pads.
Boy, does he pack a pop.
Look at this shirt. Oh, damn. And that's the same people. Oh, he was gone.
So Seattle throwing too high and intercepted.
Picked
off by Henry, the rookie.
Against the Bengals? Yeah, man. Go let's get our get back. And y'all let him. TJ Higgins out of here.
This is the football. Ball extended.
Yeah, TJ.
And a pile up.
It's going to be a touchback.
Yeah, TJ.
Picking up some block.
Dumbass. That's what you get. Stupid.
Latasi starts the other way, and somebody really nailed Lawrence Taylor. But I'm not sure against whom. First and 10 Eagles. Jaworski looks right, now looks left, is sacked by Lawrence Taylor. Would help for Eric Dorsey. Jaworski. Lawrence Taylor.
Oh, man. I'll take that back.
Cuts it up, he's got some space, he's past the 30, the 40, just the punter to beat. Leon Washington
he celebrated way too early.
Has gone not quite the distance as Baker trips him up down at the 1 yard line.
Smack his finger. He just tapped his feet.
Maybe he makes it. Watch the right hand to Baker on Washington's right foot, and then that forces Leon.
What do you say? Because I think every defense is going to want the guy to throw the ball. For me, that's probably the weakest part of their offense is him. Everything else is good. They've got a good running game, probably one of the best in the league. They've got real good receivers. You just want them to pass the ball. You want Kirk Cousins to get it in his hands. Zach Brown, who is that? The coach? Oh, that's probably a player.
Off the fake to Cook. Cousins rolling right, being chased by Zach Brown. And a diving catch.
Oh. Zach Brown said that about him.
Play action.
Zach Brown
Cousins.
Again. Like they're trying to get in there. Touchdown. Oh my
goodness.
At least Zach Brown.
And oh my God. And then they release you.
That this happened just after he was so outspoken, guys, about the Vikings and Kirk Cousins.
Because that's that. I ain't gonna say that's what he get. But no, man, it's BlenderBoy TV with another video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what videos I should comment to next, man. Follow me on Instagram, BlenderBoy TV. Pay attention, fuck around, learn something.
I pray to God every day just to keep on saying no's. I've been living wrong, I gotta face it both on. I've been staying strong, it's hard trying to move on. I can't do it on my own. No, I can't do it on my own. And I've been feeling all alone. I've been on my grind, still feel like I'm wasting time. I was showing love to niggas who would've left me in the blind.